So guys, what we have here is our Swiss franc JPY. So take a look at this Swiss franc JPY, right? On this daily time frame, we would analyze it from. We have to zoom it out. There's only one movement we are seeing on our Swiss franc JPY, an impulse movement upward, meaning that we are on a bullish move, right? That is one. Now let's see this 10-period moving average. Let's see where this price is currently at. Now price was above 10-period moving average for some times, then it's actually went below it. Now you can see that price is now above the 10-period moving average. It has just broken above the 10-period moving average. We all know the rules of trading. Once price is above 10-period moving average, we are to go long, but if it is below that, we are to short. But now that this price is above 10-period moving average, there's only one movement that is to be made on our Swiss franc JPY, which is to go long. Now we would want to see where the price will be moving for on the 30. Now, in order to do so, we can look at this price. Please, let's analyze it from here. I'll take here as this level here. Price actually came here. Let's see. Price actually came to this level here. So price kind of came here, dropped again, came here before it actually broke out from it. We all know that once price actually range in a certain level for some times, right? We saw that price actually range within this level. Yeah, right. So we all know that once price range in a certain level for some times, we tend to see and it eventually breaks out of that level. There's one movement we will be expecting on that movement, that the price should actually come to test that level again. So basically, this price reacted here, dropped on this daily time frame. I think it went on for almost a month, more than a month. You can see this early June. This was around early June. Price started ranging. So it was around that September. Price broke out from. So once price break out from a level, we tend to see it actually come to test that level again before going up again. So this is exactly what we had on our Swiss franc JPY. Price eventually came to test the level again. That is why we had this huge week. So after price has tested it, what are we expecting next? Another impulse movement again. So is this impulse movement over on our Swiss franc JPY? Definitely not. So this today, we've actually opened green. We are going green. I still believe we'll continue to go green. Let's see if we can take out this level for today, which is 149. Currently, this price is at 148.432. So it depends on where you're watching it. That is why I said click on the subscribe button before you you can get updates on time. So we are expecting it to actually roll up to 149. So basically, this Swiss franc JPY, I'm still expecting a bullish move. Now let's take a look at it. Maybe once price comes to this level, then maybe we might be getting another drop again on Swiss franc JPY. That is exactly what I am seeing. Now, the reason why I said so is that if you have to look at this JPY index, which relate to all our JPY pairs. So basically, if you have to zoom it out on JPY index, we are bearish, we are dropping, right? Price has been going down, which means our JPY pairs are bearish. Now we kind of highlight some key levels here. Let's highlight some key levels here and another level here. You would see that at this level, price was ranging. It got to a period of time where price came to this top level, which is our resistance, to drop to this low, come to the top, drop to the low. So basically, it was hitting the support and resistance level. Then price broke out of the support level, then came again to test this support level, and even eventually still roll up to our resistance level. Price actually broke below the support level. Then price rolled back to test it. Not only does it test it, it broke above it and went up straight to our resistance level. So once price has hit our resistance level, what are we expecting it again? Another drop again on our JPY index. So we can now consider here as a false breakout, guys. We can take it as a false breakout. So we would want to see this price drop to this our support level here. After the support level, what are we expecting it again? Another rise to our resistance level. So basically, as at now, this JPY index is still on a bearish move on our support level. Reason why our Swiss franc will continue to go bullish. As long as this JPY index is bearish, then I can assure you that Swiss franc to JPY will be bullish, guys. So now this JPY index, we are very close, close to the, I'll say, this is the level here, this is the lowest wick here. You can see this end of this candlestick wick here. You can see this candle, you can see this end of this candlestick here. this is end of candlestick here. That is why I light it like this. So we would want to see this JPY index to actually roll down a little bit to tap it before going bullish. So as this price is dropping to tap this our lows here that I've highlighted, then we will continue to see that bullish move on our Swiss franc to JPY. Then after it tap it, then we start seeing a bullish move on our JPY index. That is when our Swiss franc to JPY will start dropping, because as this JPY is going bullish, then we should see a drop on our Swiss franc JPY. So guys, if you want to take this trade, it depends on when you are watching it. From here to this our level we just highlighted, that would be giving us close to 150 pips. So I mean, if you can go long and grab, let's just say 100 pips, if you can grab 100 pips for the day, I mean, that is okay. So guys, try and grab 100 pips, because Swiss franc JPY, I mean, you can grab it. It can give us that movement for the day. Now let's see what 4-hour time frame says. So 4-hour time frame, we are still bullish, by the way. Take a look at this impulse move. Then let's take it as a correction. Then we will take it as an impulse move again. A correction has been made. So what are we expecting again? An impulse move. So this is exactly the impulse move we are having. So we would want to see it roll up to this level here on our 4-hour time frame. This level, price drop here, came to test it, drop, came to test this level again, drop. So we would want to at least go long to take out this level. That is about 140 pips, close to 40 pips. Let's just say if you can grab 100 pips on this movement, it depends on where you're watching it, then that is a good amount of pips for the day.